Why do we say God bless you when someone sneezes? The tradition of saying God bless you goes all the way back to the 8th century. When Gregory I was Pope, the bubonic plague was running rampant in Europe. It was widely believed that a sneeze was the first symptom of someone stricken with the plague. Pope Gregory ordered unceasing prayer for divine intercession. Part of the command was that anyone sneezing must be blessed immediately. It was thought that the blessing would either help a person recover from the sickness or go directly to heaven if they didn't survive.